wished you could run powerful AI models such as Google Gemini on your laptop? No Docker headaches, no cloud bills. So, exactly, that's the topic today. So, today I'm going to show you how exactly under 5 minutes with a tool called Ollama. So, let's see what's Ollama actually. Let me go ahead and open a new Chrome tab. Yeah, let's go and open this. Huh. So Ollama is basically a next-gen command line that streamlines downloading and running a large language model locally. So basically, you don't need to connect to the internet; it will automatically generate prompts using your own hardware inside your own computer. Remember, guys, this is a consumer hardware graded software, so you can use it on any laptop which has more than like 8 GB to 10 GB. So let's go ahead and go to Ollama. It uses simple language, a simple command to fetch, catch, and serve models on your machine locally. So let's go ahead and click on download. So you can use it for three things: Mac, Linux, and Windows. So I'm using Windows, so let's go ahead and click on Windows. You know, Ollama basically uses simple commands to fetch, catch, and serve models on its machine. You can think of it as your own personal AI concierge, which is a lightweight, fast, and cross platforms. So the prerequisites for this thing to use is for minimum of 8 GB RAM, 216 GB RAM, and a modern quad-core CPU. GPU is optional, but on Windows it works with WSL2. Double check if you have the Python 3.10 runtime installed. So we'll go in CMD. We'll search as py on dash version. This will give you the latest version which you're using. For my case, I'm using the 3.13.2, and we'll go and search here PYTHON 3.10. So we have 3.10 already installed. Let's install it. Let's close this and this too. So here we have the setup page, and let's go ahead and click on installation. So it says automatically installed here, which is the C users and my name and the app data. So it will temporarily install some files, and then it will automatically install the remaining files in your program files, which is in the C drive again. So let's wait for a few minutes. So here we go. We have installed Ollama, and if you go ahead in the top right section, sorry, bottom right section, you will find Ollama to be installed here. So basically, it should have opened a CMD, but we'll go here. We'll click CMD. No need to run as administrator. We'll go and just search as LLaMA. Run. I'll be using the Gemini model. So basically, it is the most good model. Or we'll go ahead and Llama 2. It will like full manifest and it will start to download. That's 3.8 GB, guys. So let's keep it here. Let's go and keep it here and go on to Chrome again. Then and you need Node.js for this. Run properly. Yeah, Node.js. Let's go to Node.js. You can also install it from here, or what would like to suggest is go to CMD, click here, and paste it here. For me, Npm should be installed already, so that's why it won't work for me. Otherwise, you can just go ahead. This is what I did. So basically, I went here, gave it all the versions, and just clicked on the MSI version. So it should download here. Just go on ahead. It will install everything for you. It will automatically assign the environmental variant for you and everything else. Plus point if you install it from the website actually. So let's wait for a few minutes. Let's open a new tab. We'll go ahead and go with the UI for the Ollama thing now. So basically, Ollama, we can type prompts in the CMD itself. So Ollama doesn't have a UI interface. So we'll go with the Ollama Open Web, which is a Web UI, which is a user-friendly open UI interface, which will help us to give it prompts and anything without internet support. So basically, it uses the localhost functionality. So if you just scroll down a bit, this is the interface. It looks whole lot like the name, how can I help you, and it basically gives you a set of plans to search something. So let's scroll down a bit. Here you go. You have the pip script, which you will go ahead and CMD, and this UV just in here. So I've installed this previously, so it won't take me a lot of time. But there's an error. So let's go ahead to PyCharm, and check on our EMD if it has installed already. 35%. Um, let's go ahead and create a new. I don't think so we need any thing, but let's go to your PowerShell and we'll go with we are in Webin, and let's proceed on to installing Open WebUI. So as you can see, I've already installed this, so it won't take a lot of time. And let's go ahead with the second thing, which was OpenUI Web Serve. So we'll basically wait for this to install. I'll just do 4x the speed. So here we go. We have installed our LLaMA. So let's ask it something like, hello, how are you? Yeah, it's I am a real person, so I don't have a physical body or emotions like humans. So this is the thing. Doesn't require an internet or anything else to work actually. So let's go ahead and give it an UI as I said in the video topic. The CMD. No worries. We'll go to the file and we'll go back and paste this. Apparently, it should create a WebUI secret key and then proceed on to open in the you know OpenUI the OpenUI platform. So what we have to do is go back to the thing and we'll go ahead and open the link in a new tab and we'll give it a sign in and a password. Here we go. I have logged in to the Ollama's platform. So here you can ask it anything, whatever you want, without any internet connection or anything. Since it's running on your local host, which is 80.80, if you have not changed it, it will be the same for every computer. So let's go ahead and give it something like help me study vocabulary. Write a sentence to fill in the blanks, and I'll try to pick the correct options. So this is the best case scenario, whatever you can ask it to help. So it's pretty fast, more of its speed as ChatGPT itself online. So the new employee Dash introduced himself to the team during the morning meeting. So we all know the answer. The new employee introduced himself to the thing. Yeah, so it's A. Let's give it A. Yeah. So the answer is A. So that's it. That's it. No Docker, no cloud feeds, just Ollama and your machine. Give it a spin, explore more models like I tried Llama, you can try Gemini, you can try Mistral, you can try Squeeze. Just comment the best model and I'll also try it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more deep dive AI tutorials. Links to everything are in the description. Happy experimenting. Thank you.